time for DataDiffusion unboxing 2. We opened it, and we got a few things. We have some nice new cool things. We have a Data Lock 2000. This looks really cool. Counter here. That's cool. It's actually really cool. I'll be interested in messing around a little later. We have a TP link for security cameras. This might be used for some of the cameras I have. Buying IP cameras. We have some Ethernet cable. That would definitely be useful. Appears to be a little power supply board. Some sort of power supply. Might be useful. We have a weatherproof washing sounder from the looks of it. It's cool. A old Honeywell panic button, 5802. Right for the old identical series panels. It's cool. The double buttons. And the box is cool. A inertia switch. Looks somehow. Yep. Shakes, detects that. Okay, cool. That will be used for something. We have 3 wired Scantonic PIRs from the looks of it. 2, 3. These might have a use. 3 of them. Yeah. We have a ton, this would be helpful, of emergency light replacement tubes. 5 of them. So good, because that one up there is burning up. It burnt out a bit. So it needs a new bulb. So that's good to know. DSC wireless key. Pretty sure it's another type of thing. Put it in the Honeywell, like the Honeywell. Yep. Here. Ooh, a whole ton of replacement emergency batteries, which is also good to head out. It's going to be handy. Lots of them. And some lithium batteries. I'm pretty sure they're using the wireless sensors. And we have some CNK protectors. 3 of them. Unbox one of these. Put it down. Brand new. Look at that. Nice. And that is the DataDiffusion unboxing.